Hey guys, this is Dan from Pixel Tech and here's an overview about what happened at Apple's event. So let's talk iPhone. So before we start off, I hope you like this new backdrop. It's blue, by the way. Thumbs up for that. So let's start this off. So Tim Cook went onto the stage first as the new CEO of Apple. So it was quite cool to actually see him now as being the CEO instead of Steve Jobs. First they were talking about how good the iPhone and iPad is, just being like, yeah, the iPad's being used in schools, doctors use them, and the iPhone's good for just making calls, and they're just showing good reports like, oh, the iPhone's the best thing in the world. So 250 million iOS devices are out. Say what? Yeah, that's a lot. Then Scott Forstall took stage, talking about the App Store and iOS and everything. So 500,000 apps are now in the App Store. It's a lot of apps. Go and get them. They created a new app called Cards, where you basically create a card and customize it, and they will go and ship it out to you. It will be available on October 12th, but I don't think anyone will really use it because there's already services out there in the UK as well, like Moonpig and Funky Pigeon, which are probably a lot cheaper than Apple's stupid idea, and mostly because it'll be Apple and it'll be expensive. Next they went into iOS, talking about features that we already know, like notifications, iMessage, reminders, and Twitter integration, loads more stuff like that. Like you can double tap on the home button and it'll show a little camera icon so you can go and take a picture. Nothing really new we've heard about, but it'll be out on October 12th as well, so cannot wait for that, and it'll be free on, basically be free on any device that I know. They also created a new app called Find My Friends, so you can literally find your friends. I don't really like this idea because not all my friends actually have an iPhone, because not everyone really does. Now I think that app will kind of fail really. Next they talked about the iPods. Now they released a lot of new iPods, but they're kind of the same. So let's go into the iPod Nano. The iPod Nano is easier to navigate, so you can swipe through, and there's 16 new clock looks which look really nice. You can see the pictures right here. So yeah, I've always wanted an iPod Nano, but I've never really had the chance to buy it. And after this, it probably makes me feel like I want it more, but I may not get it. But yeah, I love the concept of the iPod Nano, and yeah, it's nice to see that they've actually like upgraded the firmware a little bit, just to say, hey, the iPod Nano is still here. You know, it's not all about the iPhone and iPod Touch. And then they went on to the iPod Touch and they released the new white version, which we've seen in rumors a long time ago. For 8GB it's $199. It's nice to see the iPod Touch is the same insides and the same outside, just a different colour. But it's still a really good music device, gaming device, internet device. It's a good device. Next up they unveiled the next iPhone, which is called the iPhone 4S. So it's not called the iPhone 5. There is no iPhone 5, which is kind of really disappointing to me because I wanted the iPhone 5 to be out, but I knew there was going to be an iPhone 4S. So it has the same design as the iPhone 4, all kind of the same, except they've actually fixed the antenna issue, so there's no left-hand Kung Fu Panda death grip anymore. It has Apple's new A5 processor, which has been out on the iPad 2 for a very long time, so it's not really that new, you could say. There is speed improvements I've seen on this compared to the iPhone, so it's kind of good. It's like 7 times faster graphics, I believe, as well. Also, there is an 8 megapixel camera which has an aperture of f2.4, but it does 1080p video recording and has video stabilization, which is a lot better than the iPhone 4 because it always jitters, and it's really annoying recording video because it does look a bit crap when you go and watch it and it's like really jittery. Next they announced Siri, which is basically an assistant where you say, what is the weather like today? And it will say, well, it's nice, and it will show up the weather, and it kind of looks like that, but it's basically an assistant for you. You talk to it and it says stuff like, wake me up at 6 AM, and it will do it, which I'm really impressed with. And you can respond to text messages. It will be like, it will read out a text to you and you'll be like, reply back saying, hi, my name's Dan. And it will actually write it and you hit send. There you go. It's got dictation and it seems pretty good, but I think I'll get really bored of it. It's just one of those features that you use and you're really impressed by, but then you never use it again. So the iPhone 4S will come out in 2 colours, black and white will be out straight away. Shocker, and it'll be $199 for 16GB. So you can pre-order this device on October 7th and it will be released on October 14th. So hit that on your calendar. It's 10 days from now. So here's my opinion on the device. I really don't think it's a good upgrade if you have an iPhone 4 already, as I'm thinking of going over to the Samsung Galaxy S2. I just feel really bored with the operating system and I feel like I want something new, so I may go Android but I may not. So yeah, remember that iOS 5 is out on October 12th if you're not getting an iPhone 4S. And there we go. So that was what happened at Apple's event. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We do weekly videos of tech news. This will be in the Tech Dose. It's called Tech Dose, by the way. So head over to techdose.tv and you can go and subscribe to our channel where we do the weekly videos, and also Pixel Tech is on there as well. It's a really good series and we really enjoy doing it. It happens every Friday as well, so big up, big up, big up Tech Dose. So guys, thanks for watching. If you want to follow us on Twitter, our Twitters are right here. And yeah, there we go. That was Apple's event. It wasn't that amazing, but there we go. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe on this video. See you guys later. Peace.